Hey guys, this is John from A Global, and I want to thank you for clicking on my channel. So I don't see any other videos on this, and I wanted to bring this up to everybody. And maybe you have a Craftsman mower, but this one has a cast iron axle on the front of it, and if you can see, the steering is real loose with the steering wheel. And I'll give you a close-up here. You can see that it's not the spindle, it's not the drag link, or not even the tie rod. But if you look closely, the axle is just floating back and forth, causing a problem in the steering on this one. So if you're experiencing symptoms like this with your own tractor, please click the like button. I'm going to give you a view on the other side here, and pretty much you can see that it's doing the same thing on both sides. The axle actually moves back and forth. It's like loose on where it pivots. Also, you can see that the tie rod is actually pretty solid where it ties into the spindle. So I did a quick tear down on this, took the hood off, took the exhaust off, and I dropped the front axle basically on the ground, removing the drag link and kept the spindles intact on the axle. And you can see, so after tearing this down, I got down to this piece, and this actually goes inside the axle itself. And this is the wear part where the axle pivots, and it's called the brace spacer axle, and the plastic portion of it is the lawn tractor spacer. So they actually slide into each other. You have to purchase them separately, and this actually it fits directly into the axle in itself where it pivots. So I'd like to give you a little close-up, and you can see the wear on this, the light between that wear part against the straight edge. You can see the light in between the part what is worn out, causing the axle to shift around and become loose. So if you're experiencing something like this with your mower, please click the like button. It's always interesting in how many people have this same problem. Also, subscribe. It's free. Thanks.